I mean, who can say they didn't see this coming? 21 states reporting a rise in COVID-19. Um, uh, Cleveland, Tennessee is a hot spot is a new hot spot for COVID-19 cases. Um, what was it? Cases doubling every 10.9 days. It may have changed. So far, there's no new information on that, but several other places were listed as rising hot spots for COVID-19. It's we didn't we should have the quarantine should have lasted longer. The government should have passed better bills for direct payments to the citizens, as well as freezing, or well, pretty much actually canceling rent and stuff for pretty much everybody. So that way everybody could just ride out what's going on until we can get a better handle on everything. But uh, it didn't go that way, and now there's going to be a whole lot of problems.
This morning, coronavirus infections rising in 21 states. In Florida, where beaches are now open, hospital beds are filling up, prompting Miami's mayor to postpone phase 3 of reopening.
We are seeing an uptick, particularly in the age demographic 18 to 35, and particularly after Memorial Day weekend.
11 states.
Okay, so Memorial Day weekend is, I mean, this is this is what doctors have been talking about since COVID-19 started. Gatherings and stuff is not good. Um, COVID is spreading, through the air between people as well as people touching people. But the fact that it's affecting a lot of people 18 to 34 is not a good sign.
Are seeing an increase in hospitalizations, including Texas, which is setting records almost daily for COVID-19 patients admitted to hospitals.
The key message is that we may be tired of this virus, but this virus is not tired of us.
A new projection from the University of Washington forecasting more than 200,000 deaths from the virus by October, mainly due to reopening measures. And a new CDC study finds people with common underlying health conditions are 12 times more likely to die from the virus. This as many states continue loosening lockdown restrictions.
We expect to have, it's like a record-setting crowd. We've never had an empty seat, and we certainly won't in Oklahoma.
This morning, President Trump refusing to cancel his rally in Tulsa this weekend, even as city officials urge him to postpone it, worrying the rally will lead to a jump in COVID cases.
Oh yeah, that's gonna from I've saw that there was 1 million tickets sold for some Trump rallies, and it's going to the number of cases is going to skyrocket along with the number of deaths. 200,000 by October is extreme. It it may even get to 200,000 before that.
Thousands are expected to attend. All must agree not to sue if they get sick. Safety precautions will include temperature checks and passing out hand sanitizer and masks, but the campaign won't require people to wear them. And now United Airlines cracking down on passengers not wearing masks. The airline saying anyone not complying with its mask policy will be placed on an internal travel restriction list and will lose their travel privileges until the incident is reviewed. In North Carolina, NASCAR is moving next month's All-Star race from Charlotte to Bristol, Tennessee, due to the rising number of coronavirus cases in the Charlotte area. And in the NFL, ESPN reports a small number of players on the Dallas Cowboys and Houston Texans have tested positive for the virus. Among them, Cowboys running back Ezekiel Elliott, who was criticized during the offseason for not following social distancing guidelines.
Wow. So he didn't follow social distancing guidelines, and now he's tested positive for COVID. And this is why the guidelines were put in place to begin with, to help people not get COVID.
Elliott's agent says he's feeling good. A source tells ESPN some of the infected players were asymptomatic.